Powered by N-Struction technologies.
Like most companies thriving and surviving in the new digital age, so too is higher education transforming itself. Students have more competing priorities. In response to this, students multitask and schedule their lives more tightly. By developing collaborative environments, different modes of knowledge creation and diffusion can be obtained. Through the use of modern technology, information is more readily available. To adapt to these changes, we need to develop an understanding about what people currently require to learn. We must review what has worked in the past and transform it. The objective is to apply new engagement tactics and deliver methods to serve students under terms to which they can relate. Modalities. The following models are basic concepts. As they stand, the design may or may not be an appropriate design for your program. However, the purpose of this process is to stimulate thought and design possibilities. Research is absolutely essential when creating a learning model. This holds true for traditional models as well as a hybrid design. The face-to-face session. Meeting in the same physical space or room at the same time. Like a traditionally scheduled class, the model can engage in many collaborative activities, large and small group discussions, and highly interactive presentations. The basic premise of this class meeting is that the knowledge and understanding is socially constructed. Therefore, committed to engagement and the interaction is required. Very little time will be devoted to traditional and passive lecture. In the blended model, this is only part of the delivery system. Class discussion and content would refer to activities that were conducted outside of the classroom and also from within the classroom. Distributed online sessions. Meeting together at the same time, but students may connect from anywhere they have a dependable broadband connection, able computer, and headset and microphone. Online and asynchronous learning. With no set meeting time, students may discuss issues and work collaboratively with each other over the course of a week, often not at the exact same time, using a variety of collaborative tools. The collaborative tools may involve social networking or basic tools such as email, web activities, bulletin boards, blog postings, as well as other technology. Dual site synchronous sessions. This is meeting together at the same time, but the students may attend from one or more locations. This model is slightly more involved and has technical demands. However, it is not as technically demanding as it may seem. If you have multiple locations, this can actually be a cost-effective model, even on a small budget. The basic design consideration. As stated, the move toward a blended curriculum model requires some research for a full understanding, but there are some basic principles to help you with this design process. Here is a good acronym to remind you of how to formulate your process. Simple. S. Start simple. I. Include relevant information. M. Meet your learning objective. P. Please your audience. L. Later, add the flair. And E. Engage to ensure understanding. This basic acronym simply states how you should steer your curriculum to serve your student. The following process is a content creation checklist. This is the process that you would use when you were formulating your content. The items on this list are not solely for developing an entire e-curriculum. If you're assigning a website, computer assignment, or other work, you need to evaluate the entire planned process. You need to check: do media players work in all browsers? Does the web address still exist? Is the content on the website still the same? Another commonly overlooked issue is to check and make certain that your school computer lab does not have usage restrictions that would prevent a student from completing your curriculum. And finally, always determine if you require a subject matter expert when developing new curriculum. If you determine that you do not have the subject matter knowledge, make certain that the subject matter expert that you select has topic expertise, experience, influence in the subject area. Make certain that you can entrust their knowledge, and also make certain that they will be available for your project.
Powered by N-Struction Technologies.